Hey, what's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? This is Pete from freetrainingsite.com, and today I'm not going to be doing WordPress or any tutorials on how to build any websites or affiliate marketing. Today I'm going to talk about the Dosh app and what it is. Pretty much, it's just an app you put on your phone, and you get money back when you buy stuff at Home Depot, um, Walmart, Nike. Um, they have a bunch of different companies that they work with. Um, so why am I doing this? Because a lot of people are like asking, is this a scam? Why did they have to put my credit card in there? Blah blah blah, and my phone number. No, no, no. This is what it is. Basically, the way they make money is they'll give you a discount. So uh, they'll go to Walmart. Walmart will give them 5% off. I mean, 5% commission on anything that anybody buys. So they'll give you 3%. They'll make 2%. They go to Home Depot and say, hey, we got a bunch of people. What do you guys give us for a commission? Okay, so they'll give them 5. They'll give you 3%. Some of them. So they have different merchants where you go in and they'll give you different discounts, and then they have local businesses sign up for the Dosh program, and they'll give you a discount. Like I have a local pizza place here that gives 7% off. So yeah, pretty much. Um, and also, it's a viral app because they're giving away $5 for um, you to sign up, add your credit card to it, and start shopping with it like you normally do. And if you send your link to somebody, a friend, or you post it on Facebook or wherever, and somebody signs up and put their card, they're going to give you $5. Right now, they have a promotion. I think it's $10 if somebody signs up. So you can actually make money with this app. It's people that shop a lot or whoever, it don't matter what you shop online. There's a bunch of merchants. So let me show you how you install it, what it's all about, and then we'll log in and see what it looks like on the inside. So let me just click on the link. If you click on the link below, you can actually install it. It is an affiliate link. Pretty much, if you sign up under it, I'll get the $5 if you sign up. So you can do the same thing. You can tell your friends and to sign up, and then you'll get the $5. So here we go. This is what it's going to look like when you get the link. You're going to click on open, and you're going to install it. You're going to get the app. Um, let me see if this thing works. I've been having problems with this video screen flow thing. It's I'm just going to let it go and maybe edit it. Um, edit. Okay, so it's done. I'm gonna open it. Okay, sign up. Um, they're gonna ask you for your phone number. You're gonna need to verify it. You're gonna join Dosh, and this is the phone number part. Then they're gonna send verify your phone number. Um, I already did this, so they're not gonna send me. They're not gonna send me a verification link. But when you do it, you're gonna get a verification link. Okay, so just create my account. Okay, it's I'm gonna enable the location. Yeah, okay, because they're gonna look for businesses. He said it sees unlockable offers and get $5. You see, you can get $5 cash back at Papa John's. You can get 2%, 7% at Hallmark, 5% on Forever 21. Uh, Pretty much now, what you want to do is you want to add your first card on there. So I'm going to see if I can uh, add a card. I'm going to pause the video and add a card. So right now you see a 0. I'm going to be adding a card, and I'm going to pause the video real quick. So I just added the card. I'm going to allow it to notify me for stuff. I don't want to add another card. Hold on for now. So there's the card offers. Pretty soon you're going to see that $5 on top there. It'll go to $5. Now to refer, you're going to go to refer here, and it's getting your referral link. Still going. Let me just pause this and maybe just wait a little bit. Okay, 25 cash for your first. You get 25 cash back for your first hotel booking. I just want to show you something real quick. If you click on the top left, it's got a refer a business. If you click on that, I don't know if anybody has done this or not. I think I'm gonna start doing it and see if I get a business to sign up and see if I can get 20% off their marketing fees, because obviously they charge the advertiser business for local people. But if you go refer a business, you just enter the information, business name, owner, email address, type of business, locations, the phone number, the address, city, and you can even choose from your contacts and then refer that business. So give that a test and see if it works. But that's it pretty much. Let's say like you want to go to the pizza place, you're going to get 7% cash back for going there. Once you spend the money there, um, you can share this offer with friends. Okay. I wanted to show you about the. Okay, I have to verify mine. I have to verify my email. So let me just pause this video. Okay, guys. So turns out I put in the wrong email address. Oh, okay. Um, I had to go back into my settings. Let me show you real quick. I'm in here to whatever it is, and go into this pen thing, and basically add a new email address, and then delete the old one. And then as soon as I did that, it came in and verified my email. There's the $5 in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and copy my unique link, and I'm gonna put it right below this video. And uh, I don't know what else you want me to show you here, but here's the offers nearby. This is Papa John's. These are some of the restaurants that I'm around that I can get a discount, 7%. Chili's, Sam's Club. Like I said, example, Sam's Club already has a lot of discount and stuff, so you're only getting 2% there. But without this app, you get nothing. Walmart, I think you get 3%. I found out the differences between Walmart and Target. Pretty much, even with my 5% at Target, Walmart still comes out cheaper. So if I get an extra 3% on top of that, that's saving. Um, so this is nearby. I don't know where you live and what you do, but you're probably going to get different discounts. Denny's. All right, so online, these are discounts you can get online. Oops. Here we go, online. Some of the stores that you can order online. Walmart, I'm looking at Walmart, 3% cash back. Bed and Bath, 7.5. Patagonia, 6%. Invite, I don't know what that store is. Hollister, that's a 5% off cash back. And the way it works is if you buy with your credit card, you're going to get it back. Bed and you can order the Fitbit. You can get some Ray-Bans. You can get Tom shoes, Speedo, Oakley, whatever. So there it is, guys. This is not a scam. They are very aggressive with their advertising right now with the viral marketing, where if you sign up for it, they'll give you $5, and if your friend signs up, they'll get $5, and you get $5. So I don't know the amount of money that you can make. if I do make any money, I'll make another video showing you how much money I made. But I'm showing you right now. I already made $5, and I think you have to have $20 to cash it out, and they can send it to. I think you can do PayPal and oh, there you go, PayPal account. So you just add your PayPal account and they'll send it to you. I'm just trying it out. If anybody has tried it out, put it in the comments below and tell me how it's going, and any other issues, let me know. If something happens that is not right, let me know. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Again, this is Pete from freetrainingsite.com.